In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Wayfair, specifically how to care for your bed from Wayfair so it lasts for years and looks great the whole time. Whether your frame is wood, upholstered, or metal, a few simple habits make a big difference. Let's start with regular cleaning. For wooden frames, dust once a week with a soft, dry microfiber cloth. When it needs a deeper clean, use a mild wood cleaner or a few drops of dish soap diluted in warm water. Wipe along the grain, then dry thoroughly with a clean cloth. Skip harsh chemicals and avoid excess water, which can damage the finish. For upholstered beds, vacuum the fabric weekly using a soft brush attachment to lift dust and lint from the headboard and side panels. If you see a spill or mark, spot clean right away with a mild upholstery cleaner or a gentle soap and water solution. For delicate fabrics like velvet or linen, blot instead of rubbing to protect the fibers. A fabric protector spray can add a useful layer of defense against future stains. For metal frames, wipe them down with a damp cloth and mild soap, then dry completely to prevent rust. Avoid abrasive pads or metal polishes unless the finish specifically allows it. A quick pro tip: use a handheld vacuum to reach corners, slats, and joints where dust tends to collect. Next, keep the frame sturdy by tightening hardware regularly. Every 3 to 6 months, check bolts, screws, and joints. Tighten anything that's loose with the correct tool, typically an Allen key or screwdriver, but don't over-tighten.